The best thing about the journalism industry these days is there are unlimited opportunities for you to get involved. If you can't find a company that will hire you, you can start your own company, start your own newsletter or Substack, start your own YouTube channel, start a social media page that's just about news stories. There are so many ways for you to get involved, whereas back in the day, the journalism industry was very limited. We're also seeing a lot of movement in journalism these days. You're no longer tied to one publication for the rest of your lives. We're seeing a lot of movement and motion. Myself, for example, I started in TV news, then I moved to magazines, then I moved to digital, and now I'm back at magazines. I've also written for newspapers. And so there are countless opportunities and countless ways for you to develop your journalism career. Don't get stuck on the idea that you need to find one outlet and work for them for the rest of your life. Everything in your life is a stepping stone. Where you're at today is just going to get you to your next step tomorrow, and so on and so forth. If you start seeing your career as a stepping stone, you'll be more motivated to try new things, write new types of stories, and not feel so stuck where you are. And if you're just starting out and looking for jobs, know that there are jobs available, but you can also create your own jobs. Once you create your own job, use that to finally get the job that you've been looking for.